Welcome to your Ethereum news briefing by Ether FM. Here's your latest for Friday, July 7th, 2023. A Connext developer proposes a bridge token standard. Paradigm releases an update for its Reth client. Balancer introduces the 80/20 initiative, and Aave proposes the GHO Stability Module. All this and more from Ether FM starts right now. Connext network developer Arjun Baptani introduced ERC-7281, a proposed extension to ERC-20 for a bridge token standard called XERC-20. Currently, bridges must choose between canonical bridges with high liquidity requirements or riskier mint and burn mechanisms without liquidity demands. Mint and burn systems also introduce multiple representations of the same underlying asset. ERC-7281 enables token bridging across domains without the need for multiple representations of the same asset. The standard also allows token issuers to set rate limits and specify which bridges can mint or burn their tokens. It also introduces a lockbox, which is a wrapper contract that consolidates origin chain token liquidity. Paradigm released an update for the alpha release of its Reth Ethereum execution client. Reth version 0.1.0 Alpha 2 includes engine API stability improvements, new metrics, and bug fixes for out-of-memory issues. Reth is now supported on macOS Homebrew and Linux Brew package managers, offering installation with a single command. Reth is a new implementation written in Rust and inspired by Geth, Aragon, and Akula. Reth can also sync an Ethereum archival node from Genesis in 50 hours, compared to days for other clients. Paradigm also released publicly tracked milestones for its client and plans to release updates every 2 weeks. Balancer introduced the 80/20 initiative, a call to action for protocols to adapt Balancer's 80/20 liquidity model and use a Balancer pool token or BPT as their vote token. Currently, most protocols use a single-sided staking mechanism, where users lock governance tokens in exchange for voting power and boosted incentives. However, locking tokens reduces circulating supply, leading to lower market liquidity and increased slippage. The 80/20 model is a mechanism consisting of a two-asset pool with 80% of a protocol's token paired with 20% of the chain's base token. The approach offers deep liquidity, reduced impermanent loss, and better incentive programs. It allows liquidity to remain active, earning fees from swaps. And lastly, a temperature check proposal for the introduction of a peg stability module for Aave's GHO stablecoin is now open for discussion. Coined as the GHO Stability Module or GSM, the module will maintain stability for GHO by enabling conversions between GHO and governance-approved stablecoins at a predetermined ratio. The GSM also introduces price strategies, a debt ceiling, last resort liquidations, a capital allocator, price bounds, and swap freezes to stop trading in case of price deviations. Next steps for the proposal include code reviews by auditors, revealing the codebase, and determining parameter threshold configurations. This has been a roundup of today's top news stories from Ether FM. You can support this podcast by subscribing and following us on Twitter at ETHDaily. Also subscribe to our newsletter at ether.fm. Thanks for listening. We'll see you on Monday.